Hello again, everyone. It's Vince Fuller from TradeWinds.com, and this is our update for November 7th, 2017. Let's take a quick look at today's markets. Well, a last-minute rally today in the Dow helped it squeak out a gain, and a slight gain it was. The Dow was up just 8 points, while the S&P 500 actually closed lower by about half a point after hitting a fresh new high today once again. The NASDAQ finished lower by 18 points, again put in a new high, but then retraced. And the Russell, full of small caps here, took a bit of a beating today, down 18 points. So it was an interesting day. I mean, when you consider the earnings season that we've been having, it's pretty much been overwhelmingly positive for most of the earnings season, but today was anything but. A number of stocks took a healthy beating today. Let's start off by looking at Trip here. Trip Advisors down significantly here, down over 23% after disappointing on earnings. A big move lower, a huge spike on volume. Have a look at MCHP here, Microchip Technology. That was down over 4%. It gets even worse. Have a look at PCLN today. Priceline. Oops, let's try that one again. PCLN. There it is. Wow. I mean, this was, almost a $2,000 stock here. Today, down $257 per share, or 13.5%. A very healthy move lower. Scary, I should say, really not healthy. And it continues after hours. Snap today, after hours, reported a loss of $443 million. Their loss tripled compared to last quarter, and this one after hours so far is down 16%. Was down 20% at one point, so expect a healthy gap lower for Snap, and this one's been in trouble right from the get-go. Have a look at the monthly chart. Ever since opening up and hitting a high of 29.44, it just pulled back as low as 11.28, had recently tried to rally, and now after hours is down, like I said, about 16%. So not a good looking picture there at all. Now also late this afternoon, Twitter came out with news that it is expanding its tweet size from 140 characters to 280. It's doubling it. Will that help it? Will it hurt it? Well, let's have a look at the chart. Recently on earnings, it had popped higher significantly. It has pretty much retraced almost, a good half of that move at least here. Now still has upward momentum on the daily chart. If we look at the weekly, not looking too bad, actually. Looking like we may have put in a bottom here. Did trade above these previous highs here, last July's high briefly before starting to pull back. And if you look at the monthly chart, we are still above that 20-period moving average, and that moving average is completely flattened out. So as long as we remain above there, and especially if we get above last month's high, I think we will trend higher here on Twitter. The daily chart still a complete mess here, a very ugly looking chart, not much of a trend in place at all. But looking at the weekly and monthly, it looks like we could get something going. So we'll be looking for a reversal signal here of some sort, and if not, at a minimum, a move above the high of 2 months ago here, the October highs, which came in at around 21.96. So anything above 22, and I think we could see a nice run there. So we'll see if those expanded tweets to 280 characters get the stock moving higher once again. Now, that's about it for now. Enjoy the rest of your day, and we'll see you on our next update.